may have gotten in over my head. Forever since I've actually spoken to the camera. So let me first start by saying why I sound the way I sound, because I personally feel like I sound so like, I don't know. Anyway, so I had worked on my mouth. I had surgery in a week and a day, so 8 days since that surgery. And while my mouth is definitely feeling way better than what it was, I still feel like I am talking really weird. I don't know. People say I don't sound weird. I feel weird talking, especially when I'm trying to fully speak and open my mouth and do what I haven't really been able to open my jaw like I typically do. So now when I'm trying to speak, it feels really weird. But anyways, I last spoke to the camera. I was going into my last week of school. We had finished Teacher Appreciation Week and Mother's Day and all this stuff. Posted a couple of videos before this one, but I actually wasn't like talking to the camera because my mouth. Past Friday, we did accept our new placement. It is day, I guess 6, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We are in day 5-ish, 6 of this new placement. We did get a little girl. She is 3. As soon as we got her, the next day we went out of town to Seaworld. So that's what you saw. We did take a trip to Seaworld. The kids had so much fun. They're both very scary when it comes to the rides and the characters. And you know, the actual fun parts of the park, they were a little bit like like at first they didn't want to be splashed with the water at the splash pad. I was like, it's just water, play. And then the characters came out, and of course my child ran away. Little Miss is what I'm calling her. She loved the characters and hugged them all. So that was good. We didn't have problems with that. But I will say, I think I may have gotten in over my head. This may have been more than I can handle. So this new little, she is very sweet, but throws extreme tantrum. And so I'm trying to work with her caseworker and work, you know, with the primary family or the bio family and figure out, you know, what can we do to make this process easier, because these were behaviors that were displayed in the first home as well. And today I was given new information on her. One thing I don't want to do, and I talked to my foster friend, is to put this before my own child. And when my own child is affected, that's when I have to, you know, put my foot down. So far they get along pretty well. He'll walk by and look at her, and he wants to play, but he doesn't know how to express that, and so he'll like hit her on her arm, and she's like, he's hitting me. I'm like, we have to teach him to say, you know, so and so, you know, or, you know, gently tap to get your attention, because he was like this in her face and she didn't understand that he was trying to tell her to come on. So of course there's, you know, working those kinks. But we have literally had a screaming fallout tantrum every day. And so we're trying to work through it. She's very particular about her clothes, her shoes. So it's been very hard to get her into new clothes and new shoes and clothes that fit, because she wants to wear specific things. But these specific things, I don't believe, are the things she came from her home with. And they are not in the best condition. Like, it was just a bunch of stuff donated to her by somebody. And she'll even say, these are dirty. Can you wash them? Well, I've tried to wash them, but it will not come clean. So yeah, I'm working on that. She does not like to get her hair done, so I've not touched her hair, but they're in these little teeny tiny braids that are going to take me 30 years to take down. She has textured hair, and I have not been able to do her hair for 5 days, and I know it's dry, I know it's itchy, I know it's tangled, I know it needs to be done. I am afraid to touch it because I know that is a trigger. So they did give me a list of likes, dislikes, and triggers, and she has a lot of triggers. And so working through the triggers while actually still taking care of her, like making sure she washes her face, brushes her teeth, bathes her body, like all these things are struggles, but they're all things that she has to do. And I don't want to seem like I'm not taking care of her, but I also don't want a tantrum. I don't want to set her off. So we're working through it. I just left the Social Security office because I got Cole's new birth certificate, and with the adoption process, when you get the birth certificate, then you can go to the Social Security office and get his Social Security. And I had his birth certificate for a while, but if you've ever been to the Social Security office, you know that like when you go, you have to plan to stay for minimum an hour, like at least. Like the whole paperwork process, once you get to the window, took me probably 5 to 10 minutes because I had all the paperwork filled out. But getting to the window, that is the process. So yeah, I'm actually working right now. I came back to work on Tuesday, and I'm doing summer school. So like my days are supposed to be half days, but training is all day for 3 days. So yeah, it's my lunch break. I'm gonna get Little Miss from my mom because she gave me a break while I went to the Social Security office because I knew that was gonna be a while. My mom is also working summer school. But yeah, so this is kind of like our first week or so together. I'm gonna try to tackle her hair today. I just don't know. Hey y'all, so it is Friday. We're at the 2-week mark, I believe, with our new placement. Been 2 weeks now with our new placement. I did end up doing her hair, but I styled it in a way that mom said that she typically wears it. And then she threw a fit and wanted it back in braids how it was originally. So I put it exactly like it was when she came. And I haven't touched it since just because I don't want another fit. And those braids actually take quite a while. And I haven't had time to sit and do that. So it's probably about a week old, but it is okay. Just spruce it up with some oil and stuff like that. I'm actually doing my hair. I just got out of the shower and I shampooed with my Design Essentials, and I tried this Melanin Plumping Deep Conditioner. Finally, it's been in my stash for a minute now, and I finally opened it. I actually did not use a lot. A little of this went a long way, and it is very nice. Like, my hair doesn't feel like over hard. It just feels really like soft, but like a good health to it. There's nothing like some of the strengthening ones where they kind of like dry your hair. So I am about to try a combo I feel like I've done a long time ago, just because I want something that I know is gonna work. We're actually about to go out of town. We go out of town a lot, especially in the summer. Like, I don't like to be here if I don't have to be. So yeah, so I'm going to use my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This is like one of my favorite conditioners. And then going back to Eco, I haven't used the black castor and olive oil in a while. Don't know if this is going to be a good combo, but I'm going to try it, and I'm going to take some backup products out of town. I'm really not caring if it's a good combo or not because we're probably going to end up swimming, and then we have an event on Sunday, and plan on just really slicking my hair back for that event and not even worrying about it, like kind of a bun, because it's more dressy event and I don't really want to wear my curls out. So if this combo doesn't work, it is quite all right, because it's probably going to get restyled over the weekend anyways. So my hair absolutely just loves this leave-in. Like, even though it still smells like Play-Doh, like I can never get over it smelling like Play-Doh, but my hair absolutely loves this stuff. All right, so my hair is done. I do not think it's going to hold, so I'm just gonna pack like some small travel items just in case. I don't have a small one of these, but I actually want to try this edge gel. So I'm taking this edge gel along with this pattern gel. I take this every time I go out of town just because I know it's a good stronghold gel. I'm also taking this Curlsmith Moisture Memory Reactivator. And then if I just really don't like my hair, I have this cream and gel oil. If you haven't seen like my pack with me video, or like traveling with curly hair, I have my little small spray bottle, a bonnet, shower cap, and my pillowcase. And I think I left my edge brush in another bag, so I'm gonna go get that. And then I'll be packed. I always pack last minute, but there's my clothes that I'm taking, my pajamas, my makeup, my overnight bag, and this is all the kids stuff. And I'm gonna try to throw it all in this luggage. We shall see how that works. Look who's about to finally use their Mother's Day gift.